Welcome everyone to our official YouTube channel for Updf. Today's video will guide you on how to change font size in PDF on Mac. This might be useful to improve the content visibility in the PDF or when you want to print a PDF with a larger font size. All this can be done by using the most productive tool, the Updf PDF editor. For that, you will first need to download this tool by clicking the link in the description below. After the successful download of Updf for Mac, now check the steps to change font size in PDF on Mac, as we perform them in this video. Explore the Updf tool, import the file via the Open File option and click the Edit PDF option. Afterward, double-click the text and select the required sentence to change its font size from the pop-up menu toolbar. Before you leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification button. That way you will get a notification for our future updates. And we will see you in another helpful review soon.